Good morning. I just got back from Walmart. I just needed a few things this morning. I needed some cooking oil. I needed some milk, sugar, and flour. I needed some eggs, butter, and I got me some more chicken salad. I need some coffee. Got me some bread. I wanted a pack of cookies. And I'm going to make some sausage balls. So got me some cheddar cheese. And I got these at Dollar General. I needed some light bulbs for my chandelier in my dining room. And I got me some eggs. So this is what I've got this morning. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe. And hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. And y'all have a wonderful week. And y'all have a wonderful weekend this weekend. Thank you so much for watching.